Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing trolls giving out legal advice on our channel. Let me just start by saying how I thought of making this video. We basically got an email, and one of the lines in there says, quote, "A viewer from one of your videos said he just got a tax ID number and filed, but did need to pay I think they meant didn't need to pay anything, says I have to file." So some guy on the internet told you how to do your taxes. I mean, no offense to anybody here. I get it that it's sort of this new internet age, the sort of internet, the information superhighway, whatever. Yeah, it's odd sometimes. And you talk to people and you get information in strange ways. You know, I'm not trying to appeal to credentialism or expertise. That's not the purpose, though. But it's like if somebody was a plumber and was doing like plumbing videos, and then just some random guy in, you know, these videos was like, well, this is also how you do plumbing, but apropos of nothing, you have no sort of insight into who this person is or what they're talking about or what their background is. Are you really going to trust that person just telling you on the internet, sight unseen, not knowing the facts of your case, how your legal system is? You know, I mean, you wouldn't do that for plumbing. You know, why would you do that with your legal, you know, needs? I don't get that. Meanwhile, I really do question whether or not all of these stamp pimps, what I'm calling them, popping up from all over, who I think are coming in on the wave from Janet Yellen, thank God no longer our Treasury Secretary, but she came up with this BS idea of global minimum tax and then created a bunch of funding for 87,000 IRS agents, which nobody can seem to pinpoint exactly where they are, except now we're seeing all these so-called enrolled agents popping up outside of the United States. Notably, as I've discussed in videos previously, here in Thailand, illegally, by the way, they're operating in complete contravention of relevant Thai laws, especially the restricted occupations. But notwithstanding that, we're all supposed to believe everything they say in terms of all taxes and all this stuff we have to do now because they say so. And again, I've seen where tax folks from the tax department, revenue department are now collaborating with these people. I got to tell you, I find it appalling that the Thai government is somehow engaging in what I can only describe as a conspiracy against foreigners who just want to live here by operating with foreigners that are here illegally giving tax advice. Why is the revenue department going along with that? Where is the law enforcement here? You expect us all to be super scared of enforcing tax law, but you won't enforce the restricted occupations? You know, what does it mean to be Thai if anybody can just roll in here and start saying, oh, well, I'm an expert on tax law in Thailand. This is what you have to do. You know, all of this is just, and it looks to me like the whole thing is a push. It's classic modus operandi of World Economic Forum shills. Come in, use kind of semi-color of law. Again, COVID, very similar. Color of law, sort of, oh, we have the ability to do this. We can do everything by regulation. No, you can't. That's not how a civil law system works. Show me in the civil law here in Thailand where it states everyone has to file a tax return. Show me that. Someone. Oh, wait, it's not there. It's not a foregone conclusion that everyone has to file taxes. Just by dint of being in a place for a certain period of time does not create an affirmative duty to make you file taxes. It's the circumstances of your inflow and outflow of income and revenue that determines whether or not you need to file taxes. And I'm sick and tired of the nonsense. I'm sick and tired of the color of law. I'm sick and tired of the media running around basically acting as handmaidens to this. And I'm really tired of foreign tax agents coming into Thailand telling people how the tax law works in this country. This all needs to end. It needs to stop now. But most importantly, it starts with all you trolls on the internet stopping your nonsense of thinking that you're professionals and know what you're talking about. Stop it. Okay? It's done. It's getting old. You know, I don't come around your house and tell you how to be a miserable person. Stop coming onto my channel and telling people how taxes work.